All right, guys, here it is, a blank slate. I am so excited to show you how I designed this bedroom suite because I want to show you how to design spaces that are not only beautiful but also functional. And so with this design, I'm going to show you how you can leave the chaos at the door and step into relaxation with these bedroom design tips. So stay tuned because this design is going to make you feel like you're stepping into a luxurious hotel, and it's gonna knock your socks off. When you walk into your bedroom, don't you want it to be the most relaxing place in the house? And don't you want it to be one of your favorite places in the world to spend time? Well, I know that I do. And these are the tips I've come up with in order to make your bedroom that kind of space. So we're gonna break this room down into two categories, function and design. So let's start off with function. First, you want to start with a sense of hospitality. When you go to a hotel, things are clean and crisp and everything has a space. That's what you want to translate into your space. So you want to have crisp white sheets. You want to invest in a comforter that is white and fluffy. You want to make sure that your space is clean, and that is how you're going to create that hospitality feel. Secondly, you want your space to have a feeling of minimalism. You want to get rid of the clutter because if you step into a room that is filled with clutter, it's not going to allow you to unwind and digest and just take in the day and let it release and relax. So that's why you definitely want to make sure that your bedroom focuses on minimalism so that when you look around, you see that everything is in order, pristine, and there's nothing that you have to add to your to-do list. Now that we've gone through the functionality of the space, next we want to focus on the design bucket. So you'll see two main designs in this room. The first is a Bohemian design, and I wanted to make sure that that was in this space since it is based in Florida. So I wanted to have that relaxed, textured, not necessarily so crisp lines, but more focused on color, textures, and a little bit of layering. So I wanted to make sure that I incorporated that into the space, and you can definitely see those elements through the fig tree in the back, this chunky blanket, textured pillows, and a textured rug. The next design style in this room you'll see is contemporary, and contemporary is going to be more of a celebration of the space as a whole versus the things that are inside of the space, allowing there to be negative space in the room and accepting that that is okay and allow you to celebrate the minimalism of a room. You can actually have a beautiful space where the focus is the space itself and not as much furniture or things in it. All right, so now let's go over the color palette, which is one of my favorite things. So with this room, you can tell one of the main colors is white, and I am a huge fan of white. I think white is refreshing, it energizes you, and it just makes you feel like you're in a space that promotes creativity for me, because anytime I'm in a bright space, I feel more creative and energetic. So that's what I wanted to translate here. But I also love the color black as an accent. So you'll notice that there are black mirrors in this room as well that just give like a higher contrast to the white. Then you'll see this tan, dark brown color sprinkled in throughout the room. Just nice to have a nice refreshing color periodically peeking into the room. I typically incorporate the color green through live house plants because I just think the house plants are good for your environment. And then we have some nice gold accent lamps to just give that little contemporary flair. And I love that these lamps are a sapphire because it just breaks up the sharp lines of all the furniture pieces. I am very excited about how the space turned out, and it truly does feel like a place of relaxation, a sanctuary when you walk in, where you can truly just unwind and let go, because life gets crazy. So you definitely need a space where you can just rejuvenate. So I hope that you found these design tips helpful, and if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week on tasty recipes, design tips, and everything DIY. So if you're enjoying it, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell button up at the top so that you get notified every time a new video is posted. And then I will see you next week for the next how-to video. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.